got one. Feels like a good one. There we go, first of the day. Ooh, hook popped right out. Hook popped right out. Man, he's short and fat. Probably a 2-pounder.
Yeah.
On the free rig. That never even hit the bottom. He hit it on the fall.
Mm-hmm.
Two pounds even. 2. Nice little fatty. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Matty Ice here, back with another video. We're out here today. We're practicing for our next tournament. We're on Lake Okeechobee. We'll be fishing the year-end 2-day classic championship for the Bay Area Bassmasters. So this is the last tournament of the year. So hopefully we'll do well. Me and Dale will do well, and we'll catch a bunch of fish and be able to cash out a nice check. That's kind of what the goal is. So what we're going to do today is we're going to explore around a little bit. We're going to start running south, head to like somewhere around Pelican Bay, and then hit a few spots in the Rim Canal on the way down there. And then we're just trying to kind of head north and see what we can find. So we don't really have much of a game plan. We're just going to try to figure these fish out as we go. So wish us luck, and hopefully we can put a good bag together for you guys. So if you like this kind of content, do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button for me. Hit that like button for me. Leave me some comments down below. We're still on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So hit that subscribe button for me and help me get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. And once we do so, we will be doing a huge 1,000 subscriber giveaway. HotSeatCustomBaits.com. We're going to be doing a huge giveaway for that, so make sure that you're subscribed and leave me some comments down below and let me know that you did subscribe to the channel, and that will be awesome. We'll put together a huge Hot Seat Custom Baits package for you guys to give away for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, so I really would appreciate it. So conditions today, we're gonna try to figure this out. It's a little bit windy today, so the wind's blowing about 10 to 15, so we're not sure what we're going to be able to do, what's going to be fishable, what's not. But we're going to get out there and see, you know, if we can even get out there, because Lake Okeechobee is notorious for when it's windy, you just can't fish the main lake. So we're going to see what happens. But like I said, stay tuned until the end of the video. Let's see how we end up doing in this tournament. Got one. That's a good one. Flip the worm off. Nice little joker here. Let's get a weight on him. He's probably not much bigger than a pound. All right, let's see what he weighs. 1.27, not bad. You take him in a tournament. Feisty.
Well,
that's a good sign. We're not even in the shit yet.
That's a different color than when I'm throwing June bug, and I threw in those same places and never got bit. And you threw in there twice and got
literally
bit.
he hit it on the fall. Like, I mean, it was
right
a no doubter. Never even hit the bottom.
There's one.
Ooh, yeah, there we go.
Come here, bad boy. He thinks he's bigger than he is.
Now, what did you just say? Oh, they ain't hitting June bug. Yeah, they are. I think they're feeding. And this hook hit my hook. This, ladies and gentlemen, might be on fire, because we ain't even been here more than 2 minutes and we've already got 2 fish. A little bit smaller than the last one, 1.21. But again, fill the boat up with these guys, that'd be a lot of fun. I had an overrun and it kind of kinked up on me. I got it out.
There's a bunch of fish in here. I had one. There's one.
You eat it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, he's got it. Small one.
Little ones.
He's a keeper though. You swallow it?
Nope. Sorry.
There's one. It's a keeper, it's not big.
I can't believe how muddy the water is.
This looks better than that other place, though.
Yeah.
That's our third one right here. All right here.
Alright, another one on the trick worm. These fish are fat though, man. They're not big, but they're fat. You can find a big one. Alright, he's probably about the same size. Probably about a pound, pound and a quarter. Yep. 1.30. I think you're right. I think they're little males
And they're practicing.
and they think that they're going to get some love in here and they're spawning and they're picking it up by the tail and swimming off with it.
They're trying to make a bed.
Mm-hmm.
Did you see my rod bouncing?
Yeah, I saw it. Saw the whole thing.
I wonder if I used a 4-inch worm, if that would make a difference. Look at that, man. They're freaking coming after
All right.
it. They're all kinds of little males.
What do you think? Maybe I throw that spinner bait.
Yep. They're going, hey, baby, when you come into town,
There's
I got
one.
a spot for
There's
you.
one. I'm gonna let him
You
swallow.
got to let them swallow it, though.
He's swimming out with it. Little one. That's what's eating him. He's probably gut hooked. I let him have that for a minute. Yeah, he's gut hooked and bleeding. We'll throw him back. Right now the game plan is don't run out of gas. No, we did. We just burned it all today. Hasn't been. Another small one?
Yeah.
Sounds a little better.
He's a frisky guy.
Yeah, he might be a keeper. Yeah, he's probably 12. Small though.
I don't know. That's like a 10 or 11 incher.
It was pretty small. He didn't get it in his mouth.
That's what she said. Come on, be bigger.
No, not really.
Where's your grandma? That's like 3 casts in a row. All the same size. Wonder if we get back in here and we'll catch some free bait.
Yeah,
I do.
There's one. Oh, that one feels a little better. He's pulling drag. He's not that big though. It's a little bit better. Slip my trailer off.
That's 4 casts in a row. I saw your pole load up.
Decent.
Oh, I've got his phone tracker on, so I'll know right where he goes.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a better one.
Where did that come from?
Spinnerbait reaction bite.
There's a 2-pounder. Yeah, 1.7.
Nah, he's a pound and a half.
Yeah.
A little bit better though.
Yep.
He hit that one almost all the way back to the boat. I had to let him eat it. $1.54. We'll take him. These things are wrapped up so bad. Jesus Christ, dude.
Fish.
That's a good one.
There's one.
Come on, stop flopping, dude. Seriously, come on. Fish number one, he's probably about 1.25 pounds maybe. All right, fish number one, guys. $1.38. Keep number one. Good way to start the classic. You know?
Yeah. If we're gonna do that, I don't disagree with you at all. If we're gonna do that, we might as well fish this out for a little bit and see if we can catch more fish.
There's a boat right over there.
Yeah.
Got one. I'm flipping him.
There you go. That looks like it might be 12. It'll be close.
Ah, he's a little small. Have to measure him and see. He felt good when I set the hook. I think he's short. I got rods all over the place, guys. Yeah, he's gonna be short. First dink of the day. Oh,
shit, dude. That was a good friggin' strike.
Is it a good fish?
Yeah.
Just keep on there.
It's not that big, but it was cool. I don't know how good that hook set is. Get him, get him. There we go.
That is a good one, though.
Excellent day. Set the net down.
He's all up in the net. Nice fish, Dale.
Hand me those pliers, will you please? Thanks. Put a set of these up front.
That's at least 2 pounds.
There we go.
He's probably about 2 pounds. Not quite, he's almost there though. 1.79, pretty close. That's keep number 2. There's fish. Get the net. I don't think he's that big, but I don't know. I haven't seen him yet. Oh, it is a big one.
There we go.
Yeah,
There we
baby.
go.
That's a good one.
That's
a good one.
We'll take
We've
it.
been waiting for this one for a couple years now, guys. Oh, man.
That helps.
Dude, he's fat. Little light tap. He's probably 4 pounds. I'm gonna guess at least. It's pretty heavy.
I hope.
He's pretty heavy. All right. We'll get some pictures of this girl. Woo! Nice fish. .15. So we're gonna let Dale do some surgery and then we'll get her in the live well.
Watermelon candy, if you got it, seems to be working right now. Of course, you got the big one on Junebug Red, so what the do I know?
There's one.
Got him?
Oh, I'm hung up in my camera. He's still on there. I don't think he's very big.
Close.
I don't think he's even a keeper. I got my reel handle caught up in my camera.
What color was that?
That's watermelon red.
There you go.
11 inches.
Sounds like he slowed down, and the only reason why he would have slowed down is for another boat. I wonder if somebody's in our spot now. Is that a fish?
Pretty
Sure as hell is. It's a keeper. There we go.
There we go. Okay, number 4, guys.
Not a big one, but we'll take him.
We'll take him at this point. Every ounce matters.
Let me take the hook out.
121. So we'll do some surgery and get him in the live well.
This is a much softer bait than that
That one.
last.
Nope. I think that was tree.
Dude, seriously, first cast. Underneath the
Keeper.
boat, that's gonna be gut hook too.
Oh, dude, I saw that freaking thing come out. Your worm fly off, and I thought, oh God.
I don't know if that's 12. First cast with that new color.
Well, we'll try it. Yep, he's 12.
Barely.
He'll be the first to go, I'm sure.
Yep.
But it's number 5. We have procured the first goal of the day, which is to catch 5. .9. Number 5.
Or a boat accident or whatever. That'd be a sweet job. I could live on the water. Ooh, there's one. There's one. You got it?
You got it?
You got it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Come here, baby. This is an upgrade. There we go. There we go.
I didn't see it. Is it good?
Yeah, about 2, 2.5.
Bigger than
bigger
that.
than
Oh,
I
I missed him.
thought.
I missed him. I missed him.
Get in there.
Oh yeah, there we go.
There we go. Stop. I'm gonna let you go.
You got hooked?
Nope. Excellent.
Good job, Dale. That's a nice call. That's what we needed, baby. See, we said we were gonna leave.
Happens almost every time. There we go. All right. Nice clean catch.
.55.
We'll take that, baby.
So that's keeping coal number 5. So we'll take him all day. That's a good coal right there.
That works.
I'll let you go.
That's a big damn boat. Calliope. Calliope? The Boston whaler?
Fish?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big one. That's what we needed. Just a little bit more.
Where are you? Come on, baby. Just going for the darkness of under the belly of the boat. There you go.
Oh, I missed him. Get in the net.
Put the head in the net. There you go.
That's a good one.
Sweet.
That'll help.
Oh,
You got hooked? No, he's
no,
good.
that's a good 3-pounder. She was not coming off either.
Something to make us feel a little bit better. Show that one to that front camera.
There you go.
It's be a nice call here. Oh, that's kilograms. 3.33.
Nice.
Keeping coal number 4. We'll get some pictures of them later, guys. Good job, Dale.
There's one. Gonna be gut hooked because it's
He ain't that big. Flip him up here.
know if that's gonna help us. That hook looks deep.
No, it's not. Not even close. 0.97. So he's not going to call. Dale's got to do some surgery. We'll get him back in. Oh, got him.
Good size?
Feels like it.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah,
that's a
there you go.
keeper.
Give me the head. What is it? There you go.
Hit that one, reeling it back to the boat. I got him.
Nice.
It's about time. I haven't been bit in a while. Maybe they're turning on.
Maybe it's Matty hour.
Is it?
I don't know, what time is it? 12:20.
Not quite. But he's getting added to the... Yeah, I think he's going to call. He's fat, dude. It's not very long. It's got to be 1.39.
Gonna be close.
I think he's he's pretty close to 2 pounds, this guy here.
He's fat.
Yeah, he's definitely fat. Oh yeah. 1.76.
Wow.
Keeping Cole #1. Guess what fish that is? That's your topwater fish, #1.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that was the first fish of the day, right?
Yep.
Wasn't it?
Yeah, there's a whopper plopper too.
Something grabbed it. Something grabbed it. I was reeling it in to cast it again. Got one. Got one. I don't think he's going to cull though. He's not going to cut it. 0.82. Release.
You'd think this thing would have water flowing through it since the wind is pushing out there and here. Do you see that move?
Yep.
That fish almost hit me right in the... He ain't even gonna make a difference.
I don't even think he's 12.
He ain't even worth looking at.
He's not 12. Dankster. We got enough fish on video. I don't need to keep.
Year, which is totally plausible. 2 years in a row, then
There, just pop it
I
out.
might be able to just say it and go at 59.5, 60 or something.
Fisher guys tripped me out though, and they said, I said, all I want to do is take my Fisher money and replace my current income with it. Big one.
Keeper?
Yeah.
That's a color, I think.
Gut hook, probably.
It was the last
Lost
of the
my
worm.
last worm.
Is he got hooked?
Yep,
Yeah, he's
yep.
bleeding. But I think that's might be a color though.
I don't know how deep we are right here.
Cut him and let me weigh him. 1.79 is what or 1.76 is what he's got to beat. Yeah. 1.96. So he's going to cull. So Dale's going to need to do some surgery. We'll get him in there. You can beach it over there if you want. Be a good one.
Nope.
Nope.
I think that's gonna help us.
Well, close. Let me try him.
Yeah.
He's a keeper, so I'm gonna weigh him. All right. I don't think he's gonna help, but we're gonna try him anyway.
There's no way he's gonna help.
Nope. 0.83. Not gonna make it.
$15.
About 15.
Can we weigh the water? What number are you?
5 and 5. 5 minutes, 5 alive. 1302.
All right, guys, so just a recap on today's events. 2-day classic for the Bay Area Bassmasters. We ended up weighing in about 13 pounds, as you saw in the previous clip. We don't exactly know what place that we're in, but we think that we may be right around in the top 10 somewhere, possibly. It seemed like it was a grind out there today for a lot of guys. It was pretty windy, so that may have had an effect on the main lake fisheries. Well, we did all of our damage in the rim canal today for an unfortunate reason. We had some boat issues. It looks like that we had the motor had some issues. So Dale, can you kind of give us an idea of what you think is wrong with the motor?
Well, I wish I knew. We blew an alarm, right? And normally when you get an alarm, the first thing I think of is I've sucked something up into the coolant intake. And I've got an overheat situation, so I shut it off when I got the first alarm. You know, whatever the alarm is, you got to honor it. So I shut it off, let it sit for a second, started it back up, no alarm. Okay, I cleared it. You know, you go back, you go forward, try to clear debris out of it, whatever the case may be. Then the alarm comes back. This happened 2 or 3 times, and then I realized this alarm is timing out. So then I timed it. It's a 6-second single tone alarm for a Mercury Optimax. So if somebody has a better idea of what it is other than what we think, let us know. We looked it up real quick on Google, and it says something serious is wrong with the motor. Anything from a misaligned drive shaft to an oil pump that's not working to a coolant pump that's not working and some other things. So whatever it was, it's not good. So we ended up fishing the next 4 hours in the rim canal without a motor. At one point when we tried to go somewhere with it, it derated, took us down to nothing, no power whatsoever. If you know what a derate is, you're familiar with that. So we got no motor, and so we decided that we're just going to call it. And head on home after day one.
Yep, so luckily we were able to do some damage in the rim canal, so hopefully we will end up getting a check for this, so that's good news. But the bad news is like I said, we're trailering up and heading on home, so no day 2 for us. So again, thanks again for all my subscribers. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. Really would appreciate it. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.